Hello everyone. Welcome back to class. We all live on Earth. Earth is our home. We all know Earth is composed of land and most of the part with oceans and seas. Today, let's learn about land masses on the Earth, which is known as continents. So today we are going to learn about the study of continents. Continents are huge unbroken masses of land on the surface of the earth. Let's see how it formed. The formation of continents. When the earth first formed around 4 billion years ago, it was a massive ball of fire. Over the next several million years, the earth cooled and a thin crust formed. After several million years more, the first land masses and water bodies began to appear. Earth's surface today consists of 71% water, 29% land. These land masses were continuously moving around, merging, breaking, reassembling, and breaking again. Around 270 million years ago, the continents merged to form a supercontinent named Pangaea. What is Pangaea? Let's learn few things about Pangaea. Pangaea is a supercontinent that existed over 270 million years ago. Earth is our home and it has huge land masses called continents. We have 7 continents in order of size: Antarctica, Australia, Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America. These are the 7 continents of the world. They were converging and rifting, that is, merging and pulling apart. Pangaea is a Greek word which means all lands. During the Jurassic period, Pangaea existed according to scientists. Later, it started rifting, that is, pulling apart, and formed different continents. The rifting, that is, pulling apart, and the convergence, that is, merging of continents, is a continuous process. It is happening even now as we read this. Geologists predict that in future one more supercontinent may form, which is called Ultima. Do you know what are Eurasian plates? Around 71 million years ago, the Indian landmass started moving northwards. It traveled over 6,000 kilometers till it collided with the Eurasian landmasses. So, what is this Eurasian landmass? The continents and oceans of the world, Europe and Asia, together are often referred to as Eurasia. Next is plate tectonics. You have already heard about this name in your previous classes. What is the mechanism or force that causes this rifting and convergence? The formation of continents is controlled by the process of plate tectonics. Let's learn about this plate tectonics in detail from the beginning of formation of the earth. 5 billion years ago. A nebula cloud of gas and rock began to come together by gravity. As it condensed, pieces of debris collided with each other, and friction of their collisions heated the rocks. One of those hot new planets was our young Earth. Its interior, hot from friction and the decay of radioactive elements, reached over 25,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Slowly, that hot earth developed a cooled, cracked crust. Those cracks formed the boundaries of a series of crustal tectonic plates that today are broken into 17 pieces. The heat from Earth's formation is incredibly still trapped inside our planet. That rising molten heat forces our plates apart in some place and pushes them together in others. When plates pull apart, a diverging rift develops. Volcanic eruptions occur here. When continental tectonic plates collide, mountains rise. And continents join. Terrible earthquakes result. When ocean plates converge, volcanoes explode. And tsunamis drown thousands. So, did you understand what is plate tectonics? The crust of the earth is made up of several rigid plates called tectonic plates. Below the solid crust is hot molten rock which flows slowly. When the molten rock flows, it causes the crustal plates resting on it to be pushed around. Sometimes the plates move towards each other and sometimes they are pushed away from one another. As the continents and oceans rest on these tectonic plates, when the plates move, old continents and oceans are broken up, and new continents and oceans are formed. So, this is plate tectonics. All this process are taking place below our Earth's crust. So why can't we feel it? Because this all is happening only a few centimeters apart for 1 year. So all this process takes place for millions of years. So this is about the study of continent. Next class, let's discuss North America, its location, political division and physical features. Refer textbook. See you in the next class. Thank you.